Keeping your everyday carry razor sharp has never been more effortless than with the Sharpall 210N Transforrod Adjustable Angle Knife Sharpener. This clever gadget transforms from a compact storage cylinder into a dual-grit diamond sharpening rod system in seconds. You can easily adjust the sharpening angle to perfectly match the factory bevel of any blade you own. Whether you are touching up a pocket knife or restoring a dull kitchen cleaver, the stable base ensures slip-free precision. Its innovative design even incorporates a leather strap and angle guides to give your edges a professional, mirror-polished finish. It is an absolute must-have addition for anyone who takes their cutting instruments seriously. HVAC professionals and serious DIYers will immediately appreciate the rugged precision of the Rothenberger Rauskal 150 refrigerant scale. It takes the guesswork out of measuring refrigerant cylinders with a heavy-duty weighing platform capable of handling massive weights effortlessly. The high-contrast digital display ensures you can read exact measurements perfectly, even in the darkest mechanical rooms or basements. It delivers extreme accuracy down to the gram, preventing costly overcharging or undercharging during critical system installations. The scale is built tough to withstand the daily abuse of job sites while still remaining incredibly portable and easy to carry. If you demand flawless performance for climate control maintenance, this precision instrument is a complete game-changer. Taking the frustration out of electrical wire installations is exactly what the Klein Tools conduit measuring pull tapes are designed to do. Instead of relying on estimations, this heavy-duty tape actually features highly visible, laser-etched markings for precise conduit length measurements. It acts as an incredibly strong pull line while simultaneously telling you exactly how much wire you need for the run. The durable material resists rotting, moisture, and extreme friction, so it will not snap halfway through a long conduit pipe. You can drastically reduce material waste because you will never cut your expensive copper wires too short or excessively long again. This simple yet ingenious upgrade to a traditional fish tape will save you countless hours of pulling and measuring on the job. If you work in a garage without ventilation, standard heaters are dangerous. This Sealy Space Warmer is an indirect heater. It burns kerosene or diesel in a sealed chamber, venting the fumes outside via a flue, while blowing 100% clean, dry heat into your workspace. It is massive, efficient, and keeps you safe from carbon monoxide. This Pioneer trim router jig completely transforms a cheap palm router. It is made of precision-machined aluminum and allows you to cut perfect mortises, circles, and slots. It has adjustable stops and guides that lock your router in place, removing human error. It essentially turns a handheld tool into a mini CNC machine. The MakerPi tie driver is a modular masterpiece. It is a T-handle driver that converts into a standard screwdriver or a ratchet. It is entirely magnetic, holding bits securely, and the internal storage is brilliant. The machining is premium, and the fidget factor of snapping the magnetic parts together makes it hard to put down. Back to Sealy for their LED twist inspection light. It puts out a blinding 3,000 lumens, but the magic is the design. The light bar rotates 360 degrees independently from the handle and magnetic base. You can stick it to a car hood and twist the light exactly where you need it without moving the base. Removing the plug from a hole saw is usually a nightmare. The Lennox Speed Slot features a staircase slot design on the side. This lets you stick a screwdriver in at 3 different leverage points to pop the wood plug out instantly. The bimetal teeth are also reinforced to cut through wood with nails. For carrying tools on your person, the Melatow tool pouch is excellent. It has a molded bottom specifically designed to keep the pouch upright when you set it down, so your tools do not spill. It includes a tape chain, a metal clip for your measuring tape, and enough pockets for your essential daily carry. The Craftsman Vi 20 angle grinder is the perfect entry-level cutter. It has a high-performance motor running at 8,500 RPM. The standout feature here is the tool-free guard adjustment. You just push a lever to rotate the guard. It also has a contoured, overmolded handle which makes grinding metal significantly more comfortable. This is the Knipex pipe cutter for composite and plastic pipes. It uses a high-strength, replaceable blade that slices rather than crushing. It cuts corrugated pipes without damaging the internal pipe. It creates a clean, burr-free edge instantly, so you can connect fittings immediately without sanding or reaming. Painting doors is a pain because you cannot paint both sides at once. The hinge stand kit solves this. These stands clip onto the door hinges, linking two doors together in a zigzag pattern. This keeps them upright and stable, allowing you to spray or roll both sides of multiple doors in one go. This is the Metabo HPT multi-volt triple hammer. Most impact drivers have two anvils. This one has three. That third anvil creates a distinct rhythm. 3 strikes per rotation instead of 2. This increases driving speed, reduces cam out, and massively lowers vibration so your hand does not go numb after driving deck screws all day. Next is the Metabo multi-volt reciprocating saw. It runs on their 36-volt system for corded-like power. It features user vibration protection, a counterweight system inside the gearbox that absorbs shock. If you are doing demolition work, this cuts through nail-embedded wood and iron pipe faster than almost anything in its class. Drywall sanding is the worst job in construction. The Goldblatt dust-free hand sander fixes it. It connects directly to your shop vac hose. It uses a mesh sanding screen instead of paper, which lets the dust pass right through into the vacuum. It eliminates 90% of airborne dust, saving your lungs and your cleanup time. Framers. Look at the Senko F35XP. It uses fusion technology. It is a cordless framer that feels pneumatic. There is 0 ramp-up time. You pull the trigger, and it fires instantly. It drives 3.5-inch nails into engineered lumber with no hose, no compressor, and no fuel cells to replace. WEHA is the gold standard for electricians. The Red Stripe 30-piece kit includes their soft finish screwdrivers, high-leverage pliers, and cutters. Everything is VDE certified, meaning it is insulated up to 1,000 volts. It comes in a rugged roll-up bag that fits easily behind a truck seat, covering 90% of typical service calls. For precise mechanical work, you need the Geberit Red Torque wrench. This 1/4-inch drive covers 5 to 25 Newton meters. It has a clear, easy-to-read scale window, not stamped numbers that rub off. The click is distinct and tactile, ensuring you never strip a bolt on a bicycle, motorcycle, or engine casing. The No Easy 8-inch wire stripper is a self-adjusting marvel. You do not need to look for the right hole size. You just insert the wire, squeeze, and the jaws adjust automatically to strip the insulation without nicking the conductor. It works on everything from thin speaker wire to thick automotive cable. We all have a drawer full of loose Allen keys. The Swan Lake 32-piece set organizes everything. It includes SAE, metric, and star keys. The handles are extra long for better leverage, and the ball end design on the hex keys allows you to turn screws at a 25-degree angle, which is great for hard-to-reach furniture bolts. This is the Wheeler FAT wrench. It stands for Firearms Accurizing Torque. It is a handheld torque driver that adjusts from 10 to 65 inch-pounds. While made for gunsmithing, it is absolutely essential for mounting scopes, working on 3D printers, or tightening sensitive electronics where consistent pressure is critical. The WorkPro Flex Head ratcheting wrenches are a massive time saver. The box end pivots 180 degrees, allowing you to reach around obstacles to turn a bolt. The 72-tooth gear mechanism needs only 5 degrees of swing arc, which is a lifesaver when you are working in a cramped engine bay with no room to move. This small tool, the Duratec Silcock key, belongs in every emergency kit. It opens those water spigots on commercial buildings or older homes that lack a handle. It has 4 different key sizes to fit almost any valve stem. It is made of steel, virtually indestructible, and perfect for accessing water in a pinch. Plumbers know the struggle of crimping pecs between floor joists. The iCrimp Angle Head tool is the solution. The head is angled at 45 degrees, allowing you to get the tool into corners where straight crimpers simply will not fit. It includes a go-no-go gauge to ensure every connection is watertight. Woodworking requires lots of clamps. The Horisty 8-pack is the best value way to stock your shop. You get 4 6-inch clamps and 4 12-inch clamps. They feature quick-release triggers and soft jaw pads that will not mar your wood. They can also convert into spreaders by reversing the jaw. For heavy-duty glue-ups, you need Jorgensen bar clamps. These are professional grade with a load limit of 300 pounds. The steel bar prevents flexing under pressure, ensuring your wood panels stay flat. The clutch plates allow for easy sliding but lock instantly when you apply pressure. The Mayhew pneumatic bolt breaker is a lifesaver for mechanics. It attaches to a standard air hammer. You place it on a rusted nut, and the vibration breaks the rust bond while you turn the nut with a wrench. It saves you from having to use a torch or drill out broken bolts. If the screw head is stripped or snapped off, you need the Nuovoware extractor set. It is a two-step process. One side of the bit drills a pilot hole into the damaged screw, and the other side has reverse threads that bite into the hole to back it out. It works on wood screws, machine screws, and even painted-over bolts. When you cross-thread a bolt, do not throw it away. The drill. America Carbon Steel Hex Die is designed to repair bruised or rusted threads. You just pop it into a socket or wrench and run it down the bolt. It recuts the metal, restoring the threads so the nut spins freely again. The Kaiweets wire stripper is a multitasker. In addition to self-adjusting stripping, it has a built-in crimper for insulated and non-insulated terminals right in the handle. It creates a secure electrical connection, making it the only tool you need to grab for quick wiring repairs on your car or boat. For light-duty work, grab the Bielmeier electric staple gun. It is a 2-in-1 that fires both T50 staples and brad nails. It is battery-powered with a quick-release magazine. It has a triple-lock safety mechanism so it will not fire in your bag, and it is surprisingly powerful for such a compact unit. Torx bits are notorious for shattering under impact. The Toolant impact set is engineered with a torsion zone that flexes slightly to absorb high torque spikes. They are made from S2 steel with a manganese phosphate coating for corrosion resistance. If you drive lag bolts or heavy screws, these will not snap. These steady 10-inch shears are not your kitchen scissors. The blades are 3.5 millimeters thick stainless steel with serrated edges that grip the material. They will cut through thick leather, rubber mats, blister packs, and even thin sheet metal. The handles are large and comfortable enough to use while wearing heavy work gloves. The Corona AC8300 is not a pruner, but the tool that keeps them alive. It is a pocket-sized carbide sharpening tool. It is designed to restore the edge on all your garden shears and loppers. It has a non-slip grip and is small enough to keep in your pocket so you never have to work with a dull blade again. This 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set is built for demolition. The bars range from 8 inches to 24 inches. They have angled chisel tips for prying apart crates, lifting heavy machinery, or aligning bolt holes. The handles are large and square-profiled so you can torque them without the tool spinning in your hand. When you need brute force, grab the iGan 7-inch wire cutters. These have an ultra-sharp, induction-hardened cutting edge designed for heavy-duty use. The handle is longer than standard cutters to give you extra leverage, allowing you to snap through thick 8-gauge wire or even nails with minimal effort. For precision cutting, use the Kaiweets flush cutter. The jaws are ground flat on one side, meaning when you cut a zip tie or a wire, the cut is perfectly flush with the surface. It is also the #1 tool for 3D printing enthusiasts to remove support material cleanly from their models. The Boxer dual-head socket set features a unique pass-through design. Unlike standard sockets, these are hollow, allowing long threaded rods to pass completely through the tool. This eliminates the need for deep sockets. The handle also accepts standard 1/4 and 3/8 inch adapters, making it incredibly versatile. If you work in a bucket truck, you need the Ergodyne Arsenal 5710. This is not a bucket organizer, but a specialized toolboard that hangs from the hooks of an aerial lift. It has grommets for tethering tools so they do not fall on people below, and it is built from heavy-duty tarpaulin to survive the elements. Klein Tools makes this reversible ratcheting box wrench. Both ends are offset by 25 degrees, which saves your knuckles from scraping against surfaces. The reversing lever is low profile so it does not get bumped accidentally. It is rugged, heavy, and built specifically for HVAC techs and electricians who need reliability. This kit is originally for dental implants, but the global universal screwdrivers are a secret weapon for micro repair. They include incredibly precise drivers that fit the tiniest screw heads found in watches, glasses, and smartphones. The machined grip gives you fingertip control that standard precision drivers just cannot match. Stainless steel zip ties are great for outdoor heat resistance, but you cannot tighten them by hand. This eye crimp tool tensions the steel tie tightly around the object, and then, with a squeeze of the handle, cuts the tail off flush. It leaves no sharp metal edge to cut your hand later. The LAOA Rapid Pipe Pliers are an industrial-grade gripping tool. They feature a V-jaw design that locks onto round, hex, or square shapes. The Rapid Adjust button lets you slide the jaw open and closed instantly with one hand. The teeth are induction hardened to 60 HRC, meaning they will not wear down easily. The Spizen Tool 3 is a portable handheld drill press. It features dual linear guide rails that keep your bit dead straight, ensuring perfect 90-degree holes without a bench press. It has a built-in LCD screen with depth sensing, accurate to 0.1 millimeters, and intelligent torque control that can automatically tap threads without breaking the bit. Industrial coating inspection reaches an entirely new level of efficiency with the Elcometer stainless steel rolling springs. These highly specialized accessories are engineered to detect microscopic pinholes and porosity in protective coatings on external pipework. The spring simply wraps around the circumference of the pipe and smoothly rolls along the surface to ensure complete electrical contact. Because they are crafted from premium stainless steel, they provide incredible longevity and resistance to harsh, corrosive environments. They effortlessly adapt to different pipe diameters, making high-voltage holiday testing significantly faster and far more reliable. For professionals tasked with guaranteeing pipeline integrity, this specialized accessory is absolutely indispensable for accurate flaw detection. When it comes to pipe installations, the Geberit Welding Plate KSS 160 delivers flawless butt welding for HDPE and Silent DB20 pipes. This 800-watt tool accommodates pipes and fittings up to 160 millimeters in diameter with exceptional ease. It features an integrated operating display and automatic temperature regulation to ensure perfectly consistent welds every time. The specialized PTFE-coated heating surface prevents melted plastic from sticking and ruining your seamless connections. Operating safely at 120 volts, this CE-compliant welder is an absolute must-have for professional plumbing fabricators. When it comes to large-scale framing and construction, the Footlift self-lifting scaffolding system completely changes the game on the job site. This unique Russian-engineered equipment offers specialized wall jacks and console brackets designed to safely hoist entire wall sections into place. By utilizing its advanced mechanical leverage, a single operator can lift massive, heavy structural frames without needing a crane. The system also includes specialized bridging templates and safety loops that lock the hoisted walls securely during the fastening phase. It eliminates the grueling physical strain of manual lifting, drastically speeding up the erection of residential or commercial timber frames. For independent builders and professional crews alike, this lifting system acts as an invincible extra set of hands on site. Finally, the Bismarck Pro. This is a bit different. It is a desktop manufacturing machine. It is an automatic cookie depositor that fits on a table. It allows small bakeries or home businesses to produce thousands of consistent cookies per hour, bridging the gap between handmade and industrial factory production. And that is 42 tools to upgrade your shop. If you saw something you liked, check the links in the description. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tool reviews. Thanks for watching Top Tech Tools. I will see you in the next one.